For over 100 years, Walt Disney Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows from just a spark. It's wondrous. I feel it now, it's you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to a very first try, from jumping to falling to learning to fly. Stroke of the pain to each motion that meets the eye.
know it's dark and only take you part of the way. You gotta help me along with some hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share. But I've and I'm almost there. I remember Daddy told me fairy tales to come true. But you gotta make them happen. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. People gonna come in everywhere.
Will today be the day? You're ready to fly. Continue to try.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
You've got the makings of greatness in you, but you've got to take the helm and chart your own course. Stick to it, no matter the squalls.
We could be immortals, immortal, but not for long, for long. Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna come in low and fast and take them by surprise. It's your mama's proud time.
Don't die.
Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
I will never be good enough. I came here to make the world a better place, and I think I broke it. I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else. Please.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar. Scars can heal and reveal just where you are.
And that's how we finish it.
I believe in you more than anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix together.
Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, parte y volver. Hacia adelante seguirás. Ya son mil años, rompiendo crisalinas. Hay que volar, hay que encontrar su propio futuro. Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más. Hay que crecer, parte y volver. To fly apart, to be united, wonders around you. Just let the world come down. Don't look behind you, fly till you find your way to tomorrow.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
It's the magic that we collide. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can't believe it. It's the magic that we collide. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can't believe it. It's
And so, we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But pooh, it's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be